AI video editing tools are changing the game in 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a pro editor, these tools can save you hours of work and even make your videos go viral. In today's video, I'll show you 5 of the best AI-powered video editing apps that are transforming how we create content. So, if you're ready to level up your workflow, let's jump right in. Welcome to TriTech AB, where we break down the latest in tech, mobile reviews, and smart AI tools to help you create, edit, and grow online like a pro. First up, we have Captions AI. This tool is an absolute game changer, especially if you want to create polished edits fast. With just a few clicks, Captions AI can add animations, captions, dynamic backgrounds, sound effects, and more, all automatically. And yes, it works on both mobile and desktop. All you need to do is upload your video, pick from tons of editing styles, choose your colors, and click Create Project. Within minutes, you'll have a fully edited video ready for final touches. Just add your B-roll. The best part, I didn't edit anything manually. It's 100% AI generated. Plus, there's a video cloning feature where your AI clone can speak whatever script you give it. Super useful and very futuristic. Next, meet Firecut, a personal favorite and a daily tool for Premiere Pro users. Firecut was built by YouTuber Ali Abdaal, and it's a huge time saver. It removes silences, adds zooms, cuts out filler words, inserts animated captions, and even auto-generates B-roll. Just load your video into Premiere Pro, click the features you want, and Firecut handles the rest in seconds. And if you don't use Premiere, no worries. They've got a web version too. Tool number 3 is Adobe Podcast's Enhanced Speech. Simply upload your audio, and it instantly turns it into studio quality sound. No audio editing skills required. You can even adjust the intensity of the enhancement to get the exact tone you want. And best of all, it's completely free. Coming in at number 4, we've got Opus Clip, a must-have if you want to turn long-form content into viral short videos. Paste your YouTube link or upload a long-form video, and Opus Clip scans it for viral moments. It then cuts and edits short-form clips for you automatically, adding captions, zooms, AI tracking, and B-roll. It's perfect for podcasters, vloggers, and educators who want to repurpose content for platforms like TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. And finally, let's talk about Submagic, a dream tool for short-form content creators. Just upload your clip, and Submagic takes care of subtitles, zooms, transitions, music, sound effects, and B-roll. It's like having a full editing team in one app. You can use it with raw footage or your trimmed clips and export within minutes. So those are 5 of the best AI-powered video editing tools to supercharge your content in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you've used any of them already, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more AI-powered creator tips. All the tools mentioned are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.